Today we are going to find out the mode of the grouped data. We have got the frequency and some grouping values. Say age, they are 5, 30 years age, they are 2, 45 years age, they are 25. Now we can see this data because this is a small file. We can see this data that mode is there are 7,000, 20,000, 8,000 numbers which have been shown as grouped data. Then it will be difficult to find out the mode, to search the mode. But as you know, we are going to prepare a software of ourselves for all these small programs which we are going to learn. So today we are going to find out the mode with the symbol. We have already learned how we found out the mean, how we found out the median. Same commands except some change. We are going to use it. I have already started. I have already started Jupyter in Anaconda, and I have already started Python 3 as a new file. So I will write the commands. First, we will import pandas as PD, import numpy as np, and the functional programs. Many things are done by this. So now we are going to tell the system to read the file. So we will create an array where df is input. You have to input the file with the location, and then the system will read. Who will read? PD, because our file is going to be CSV. Read CSV. Input. What we are going to put? Input file name. So it will ask file name. You have to put the file name with location. You have to put the file name, location, and then after that this file is downloaded. You can see this file with df whether the file is properly loaded or not, and then you have to define the variables, because in that file which we have seen in Excel, it has got two columns, value and frequency. Now value, we are going to convert it as val is equal to df square bracket, it will take value which we have taken it as value. From value it will take val, and to list. So these two commands we have already learned and practiced, and then we are going to see frequency is equal to fq is equal to, say, df same frequency FRE, which we have already seen in the Excel file, and then to list. So this will give me us the values and frequencies. Now our command for mode, x is equal to, say, x will be some variable np, which will show the value of np, which argument argmax, maximum of fq, which we have created above. Okay, and then we will say print what? We'll say print mode of the given data. This you can write given data, comma x. Let us say whether it runs properly or not. Let us say first it will ask the file name. File name is I properties. In the properties I can see the file. When I run it, it will ask the file name. So I have saved this file name and I will copy here, and then this is the location, and then I will put test1 because this is CSV file. So we are going. So it is there, and it has already calculated the mode of the given data is 45. You can see this DF file here. You can see the DF file here, and you can run it. It will show you the DF file here, and you can see the mode is highest frequency is 25 and the modal value is 45. You can also see you can see only the heads first values. You can also see this one, just a first 4 values it is. Thanks for watching. The main important command is val, which we are going to find out val maximum value by np.argmax frequency. This is the important new command which you are going to learn in this video. I will put this command in the description box and you can practice it with the data. Next time we will find the mode with the class interval, and in that, because the formula is required in that, so we will see in the next video how to find out the mode of the class interval. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. You may submit your research work at Journal of Global Economy, rcssindia.org. Your work is evaluated by peers with double-blind methodology. You will get comments for your work. Thank you.